Recording.
Okay, Duet prototype number 1, backup wrench. Forward and reverse positions. Simply goes on the bottom of your stud. You're undoing it one way, doing it up the other. It just holds on. Comes off when you want it to. So we'll do the stud up here. We've got the gun set for 1,030 foot-pounds, which is the maximum for this stud size. And we'll do it up. As you can see, if I rotate that, you'll see it turn around. It's already locked up on the nut, unfortunately for us. So there's the stud done up to the maximum. See, that's on there, and we just release that pinch bolt under there a couple of turns, and that will now come off the bottom of the stud. Likewise for undoing it, put it on our stud in the next closest position. You can wind that in a bit. We might get the next one, not quite. Undo it. If I simulate that round against the stud, that's the position it would be in if it was a nice frozen stud. And now our stud's loose. The backup wrench comes off. What we've got here is a fully welded stud. The nut top and bottom on it, simulated jammed stud. I'll do the same thing, just showing you tightening it up and seeing the force come on the backup wrench and how easy it is to remove. Doing up. There it is, full torque on that stud. You can see this is well and truly locked in there. And again, to remove that, so a spanner on there. Back the tensioning off a little bit. Too much magnet. And there's our backup wrench off, and the stud's tight. If we're undoing it, as per the last one, put it on any position, undo it, and you'll see it move around there. And because we've got a locked stud here, we've got full pressure on that stud on it. Same thing for removing that with the locked up position again. Just undo the nut, and it's off. Something like that. Just as a strength test on this one, what we'll do is we'll take it up to full tension, and then we'll increase the tension to test the strength of the Duet backup wrench. So there we are at 1,030, which is the maximum for the stud size, and we'll wind the machine up to twice the pressure rating for the stud, which is, we'll take it to 2,500, 64 psi. We'll now tighten this up to 2.5 times the rating for the stud. So that's now sitting at 2,500 foot-pounds. We'll now take it up to 3 times and test it out. Make sure that the backup wrench won't break. 3,400 foot-pounds. Just like that. As you can see, there's nothing wrong with the backup wrench. Cheers.